Hello friends, this is your girl Goldilocks here, and this is the lovely gift basket we're working on today. So I'm basically going to show you how we got all this pile basically of stuff into that lovely gift basket. Now all these items were purchased at Dollar Tree. I did do a haul video if you're interested in seeing all the things I purchased. Link is in the description. Also, if you're interested in seeing how I did the gift basket in the left hand corner or the champagne glasses in the right hand corner, links will also be in the description. So we're starting our gift basket. I have a lovely little candy dish. I got some Starbursts, some bath bombs with some body wash, and a little individually wrapped cotton candy. So freaking cute. Oh my god. Again, got that at Dollar Tree. It was a 3-pack, so I used the other two in the other glowy light up gift basket and all to the left, but I'm using the last one in this gift basket. So after I put my supplies in my candy dish, I'm just going to take this clear paper. I did not purchase this paper at Dollar Tree because I already previously had it. So yeah. So when measuring out your clear paper, it's better to have too much than too little, because you definitely do want that excess at the top of your gift basket. So feel free to be a little bit generous when measuring all this out. I'm happy with that length, so I'm just gonna cut it so we can get this show on the road. And now while you guys are watching, please make sure you hit the like button. Hit the like button. It gives me a nice and warm and fuzzy feeling, makes me very happy. Please hit it, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see more of these awesome ideas. So we're just straightening it out. And what I do when I'm using this clear wrapping paper and I'm making a basket, I take the width of the paper, I'll bring it to the middle, and then I just tape it like that. And it just makes it so much easier to control the paper, because you know it's kind of like a little bit wild. There's no form or structure. You're creating your own form or structure by gathering it to the middle. So just taping that, like, see, even when I like let go of it, there's still like a little bit of a foundation there. So it just makes it so much easier doing that first. So again, make sure you tape it in the middle right above your basket, and then just gather. Make sure when you're gathering, you're doing it at the center of your basket or wherever you want the very top to be. Make sure you kind of don't have it to the left or the right, because then it will look wonky and you'll have to redo it again. So yeah, make sure it's in the middle. Take your time and just, you know, look. And ours is coming together, so it's looking super lovely. And then once everything is gathered in the middle, just put some tape around it so that you create a neck for your gift basket. And then anything you do after that is going to be like super easy, because you have a lot of structure and your basket isn't going anywhere, even if it like tips over or you need to like adjust something on the side so it has to lay on the side. You're good to go. It's going to be nice and stable and pretty. And see, there you go. Kind of looks like a pineapple. All right, so I'm happy with that. So we're taking some of our rhinestone ribbon here. I used it in previous videos in our luxury gift wrapping. If you get a chance, check out that playlist. A lot of really good sparkly ways so you can wrap your gifts. So I'm just gonna create a bow. Now it's kind of funky creating a bow with this type of ribbon, but it's all good. I just fast forward a little bit here so you can guys can kind of see me, you know, fooling around with it. Now this bow has to be kind of like a very specific length. Like I need it to be a little bit floppy, because we're gonna add this cool pink heart on it. Now this pink heart had like a stick attached to it, like it was supposed to go in the ground or as a display or something. I just broke off that stick and decided it would look way better on my gift basket. So I'm just gonna make it almost like a little buckle for my bow here. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so cute. It looks so nice. So yeah, so this bow has to be a little bit floppy if you want to pull this off, and I want it like really short ends of the bow, which I was able to achieve here. And you're just gonna have to fool with it a little bit, and tape is your friend. Here I'm just adding some clear shipping tape to make everything stay in place. Again, when you guys are doing these gift baskets, please make sure you use the proper tape. It has to be the clear shipping tape. Ideally the one that's a little bit thinner, but not like the cheap kind that'll just fall apart on you. Like you want thin but sturdy. That way there's less of a chance it's going to be detected in your design. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm literally just taping the bow to the back of the heart and a little bit on the plastic or the clear wrapping paper just to make sure everything is secure and it's not going anywhere. And this is like just an amazing and so affordable way to make your gift baskets awesome. I love this design. I don't know which design I like better. The one on the left is really cool because it's glow in the dark and shiny, but this one is just so sparkly, and I'm a huge fan of sparkle, so I don't know which one I like the best, but I love them both. And as you can see, that is so pretty. So I wasn't quite as happy with the sparkly. I needed a little bit more, so I had these like felt-ish hearts that I also got from Dollar Tree, and literally I'm taking my hot glue gun and I am just gluing these little hearts to the plastic randomly. Don't press too hard because we don't want like the plastic sticking to the candy bowl. I had just like warmed up my gun, so the glue was sticky but not too hot, so I didn't have any real issues with like the plastic melting or the glue being too hot or the clear wrapping paper sticking to the packaging or the candy disc. So it was all good. So I'm just gonna randomly place the hearts. I'm not gonna do like a whole bunch of hearts, but just enough to give it like a little bit of character so it doesn't look so dull. Not that there's anything dull about this basket, but you know, it's Valentine's Day. We need flair, we need class, we need something special because we want our gift to stand out, even though it did come from Dollar Tree. So there we go, guys. Oh, I think I'm gonna add like one more heart on this bad boy. Actually, no, I think I didn't. Okay. Nope, there we go. I will say I just left that heart there. How can we leave extra materials? We gotta use that. Okay, cool. So we're using our extra heart and voila. It is awesome. Great, very inexpensive gift basket that will floor anybody who sees it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. This is a fabulous good look, especially for like little girls or little kids. They will love it. So thank you guys again for watching. Please, if you haven't already, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.